Hello everyone, I hope you're having a good day. Right now, I'm here just to explain the scenario which is happening yesterday. I took almost three entries, and my stop loss being hit consecutively. So, what is the reason behind it? That's all my mistake. I don't want to do it again. But I understand one more scenario, and that is very important, and I think that I want to discuss with you all, and that is very important. According to my strategies, according to my situational analysis, you know that in Asia, if price gonna buy in pre-London, price gonna consolidate in London, price make a new low. So what will be happening in New York session? Decide it. I'll count three. One. What will be happen in New York? One, two, three. I knew that everyone, most of you, took a decision to take buy entry according to situational analysis, as same as me. What I have done, I have considered myself that if the market give me a confirmation for a buy entry, then I'll gonna buy, because yesterday, you know very well, yesterday market makes a new high in Asia session, consolidate in a pre-London session, makes a sharp new low in London session, retrace at pre-New York, and what will gonna happen in New York? Price gonna buy. You have to wait for the confirmation. Once you find it, you took a buy entry. Understand? So I took buy entry. So just to see the confirmation first, and then took a buy entry. So my level was around. Look at this. Look at this. Yesterday, you know very well that I put a picture. I post a picture, and that same picture is here. My take profit was around. No, 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 no. That's another picture. I'll share you soon. Wait. We will discuss the scenario of yesterday happening. Wednesday. Wednesday. Look at this. Price make a new high in Asia session, consolidate in pre-London, make a new low in London session, retrace at pre-New York. So what will gonna happen in New York session? Price gonna buy at this level. Okay. So what did I do? Look at this. So this is a very important confirmation for any trader to took buy entry. This is the most important confirmation. Single rejection, a double rejection, and third rejection with engulfing. So that considered as a support, and price gonna buy at this level, because in 4H, in 4 hour time frame, this is the last low. This was a last low and makes a new high. So when the price come to test the zone, I took buy with a confirmation of two rejection with third engulfing, and took buy entry. Took my stop loss. I placed my stop loss at this level, because I consider this area as a support. So price will reclaim that area. So I took an entry and took my stop loss. I put an entry over here and took my stop loss, placed my stop loss at below this wick, and just nearly price tap this zone. Price tap the zone, my stop loss hits, and price gives us a complete rally. So there's a reason behind that why my stop loss being hit. So what is the last reason? Why the price makes a new low in New York session? Our situational analysis is invalid yesterday. Why? What is the reason? I invent that reason. The reason is FOMC minute. I'm not hiding behind the news, but the reason is FOMC, Federal Open Market Committee, with funding rate news. When this FOMC arrives, I used to tell you that don't trade on a New York session, on that New York session, because the news arrives at 11:30 or 11 p.m. So I used to tell you that don't trade at that New York session, like 6, 7, 8, 9 p.m., because market used to go in a different direction. Once the news arrives, market makes a new low or makes a new high once the news arrives. So in FOMC, tomorrow is FOMC minutes, and I was not consider myself in FOMC minute this same rule. But from yesterday, I realized it. Either I found a news of FOMC minute, I still avoid that New York session because market manipulates in FOMC minutes also. So in FOMC minute, you also have to, you don't have to trade at that New York session. Once the news arrives in, then you can take an entry. Because look at this, market took my stop loss, and market changed that situation analysis just because of the FOMC minutes. So that's the main reason I discuss with you. I hope you guys understand. थोड़ी सी अंग्रेजी बोलने की कोशिश की क्योंकि आप लोगों से ही कोशिश करूँगा, क्योंकि कल गोरे से बात करनी है भाई, तो आपसे प्रैक्टिस हो रही है ये मेरे बात करने की। तो समझने की कोशिश कर लेना, मैंने तो अपने एंड से आपको समझाने की कोशिश की। तो खैर एनीवेज, ऑर्डर ब्लॉक वाला टॉपिक मैं आपको अनकरीब बताने वाला हूँ। अपना ख्याल रखिए, रोटी लास्ट में रखिएगा।